This project is from Team FHIR Blower. This is our final project, December 4th, 2016. Team FHIR Blower developed a smartphone application enabling patients to review medical information, see their current appointments, edit and cancel appointments, and enter basic medical information. This is a good project specifically because it allows patients to have easy access to their information, gives accuracy of information being improved through ease of access, and provides patient satisfaction. This is a project that is a good match for Team FHIR Blower due to extensive experience in HL7, XML, Java, and Android. The following is a project overview of specific functionality that was implemented over the course of the project. First, specific to server authentication, implemented appointment server authentication as well as GT FHIR server authentication. In future releases, Health Vault authentication will be implemented. Next, storing data, setting up secure data storage, communication with the GT FHIR server has been implemented. Communication with the appointment server has also been implemented. Health Vault integration, as mentioned, was not integrated as part of the initial release, but will be slated for future releases. This was specifically a stretch goal. For the UI, very basic medical information, scheduling of appointments, all integrated, as well as allowing the patient to enter history and comments. The appointment server initial setup was completed. Client communication, the ability to schedule appointments, which involves upcoming scheduled appointments, upcoming appointment availability, and finally, the ability to store, persist the user information as part of the application. Future releases, noted as stretch goals that were outlined on the Gantt chart, our project plan. Three specific areas that the team looks to further develop. First is Health Vault integration for providing wider acceptance and functionality through the Health Vault capabilities. Second, related to storing of data, determining data storage safety requirements and how to meet them, creating an interface to easily store text, images, and audio, as well as allowing patients to take audio notes when they aren't feeling well. This provides good historical analytics. Finally, messaging capabilities between patient and doctor. A fair amount of research was completed, extensive HAPI API research. Even though Health Vault was not included in the initial release, extensive research on Health Vault integration was done. And finally, a number of meetings with our mentor and specifically with Dr. Clifford to better understand the user requirements. As far as documentation completed for this project, a deployment guide has been developed, providing detailed instructions on how to download and then ultimately how to install the APK. As well, a user manual provides detailed instructions for usability of the applications with step-by-step walkthrough of the functionality. This is an overall architecture diagram of the PHR to EHR app. Specifically, it is designed for Android version 5+. It uses the Georgia Tech FHIR server as a backend, as well as cloud database and SQLite. Authentication is simply password and patient ID. This is an overall data flow diagram of how a user will enter through the Android UI, and providers will actually enter information through a web client. There is read-write cloud database access to a REST interface, as well as read-only Georgia Tech FHIR interface to the REST interface. And finally, internal SQLite database is acted upon through SQL query. The team members comprise of Nicole Furlani as our project manager, Matthew Barteau as quality assurance, Ming Zhao and Alex Kalam as developers, and Jeremy Fix as quality assurance. Next, we'll move to a live app demo. You can see on the right, we'll begin with a login using the user ID. The user has the ability to schedule new appointments, which I will do now. And I would like to set up a new appointment for December 7th, and I can select among available times, 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. I'll select 9 a.m. You'll see a confirmation here with the information, and then I can press schedule appointment. Appointment has been scheduled, and I can move back to the main screen. Now, if I would like to cancel an existing appointment, I see a list of my upcoming appointments, and I would like to remove my 12/9 1 p.m. appointment. It brings up for confirmation. I select cancel, and the appointment has been canceled. Next, I would like to review my health record, and here it simply shows me my patient ID, my name, address, date of birth, and this patient that I've logged in as currently is taking 0 medications. Next, I am going to demonstrate how to add new patient history, and I will begin by adding name, birthday, age, Here I can select from pre-existing lists of problems. Hopefully I'll never have some of these concerns. Past surgical procedures, nasal tuck, etc. Medication for food allergies. Don't know. Medications, vitamins, herbal supplements. I can add in vitamin C supplements, etc. You get the idea. And then finally, I can save the history. So this is a live view of the application as developed by the team FHIR. And to find out more, you can download the app, install it, use the documentation for how to install it as well as how to walk through the app. Thank you for your time.